All right, let's dive straight into this explainer and tackle what is arguably one of the most frustrating things for creators and business owners today. If you're out there trying to grow an audience or market your brand, you already know the golden rule, right? Consistency is key. But honestly, knowing that you need to post and actually pulling it off week after week, well, those are two entirely different things.
You know the feeling. We have all experienced that dreaded blank page anxiety. You open the app, you stare at the screen, and you have absolutely no idea what to post. Or maybe you've got a great picture or a quick video ready to go, but you just freeze. You don't know how to write the caption, you have no clue what your hook should be, and you definitely don't know how this one random post fits into any sort of larger plan. It feels incredibly overwhelming, and it's exactly why so many of us just close the app, sigh, and tell ourselves, okay, I'll just post tomorrow.
But here is the thing, and this is a major paradigm shift. Struggling to post is not a lack of creativity. It's really not because you don't have good ideas. It simply means you're missing a structured, repeatable content planning system. Right now, you're probably relying on spontaneous inspiration rather than a dependable workflow. And let's be real, relying on inspiration to strike is a terrible business model.
Imagine making a complete shift from how you do things now. We are talking about moving away from all that scattered, random posting, the weak hooks that nobody stops to read, and a totally confusing bio. Instead, picture operating with absolute clarity. We're talking about a focused 30-day strategy, punchy hooks that literally stop people mid-scroll, beautifully structured captions, and an organized 7-day calendar so you always know exactly what's next. That is a total game changer.
And that is exactly where the Instagram growth engine comes in. Now, I know you might be thinking, you're probably saying, oh great, just another list of generic ChatGPT prompts. But no, it's so much more than that. It isn't just a collection of random prompts. It's a cohesive, fully connected content engine. Think of it as a complete system designed to guide you step by step from that terrifying blank page all the way to a fully structured, ready-to-go month of content.
So how does it actually work? Well, this entire ecosystem is powered by 5 core AI tools that seamlessly feed right into one another. You've got the 30-day growth strategist, the 3-second hook formula, the 7-day content calendar builder, the follow-worthy caption writer, and finally, the bio glow-up tool. Let's break down each one of these really quickly so you can see exactly how they eliminate all the guesswork from your marketing.
First up, we have the 30-day growth strategist. This tool is your foundation. It helps you build a highly personalized monthly roadmap based on your specific audience, your current habits, and your unique business goals. It's going to ask you some core questions about your niche, and in return, it lays down the tracks for your entire next month. This is your high-level strategy, so you never wake up in the morning wondering what the big picture is.
Next is the 3-second hook formula. And you might be asking, why 3 seconds? Well, because on Instagram today, if you don't hook them immediately, your reel is losing the viewer before your actual message even begins. People scroll so fast. This tool completely eliminates those weak openings by generating powerful, punchy hooks designed to stop the scroll instantly.
Okay, so once your hooks are locked in, the 7-day content calendar builder takes over to build your daily momentum. This is where things get super organized. It takes your content types, your topics, caption angles, calls to action, and hashtags, and organizes the whole shebang into a crystal clear weekly schedule. It literally turns your abstract, high-level strategy into an actionable daily to-do list.
Then we move on to the follow-worthy caption writer. Listen, captions should never just be an afterthought that you quickly type out on your phone right before hitting publish. This tool ensures that your captions are strategically designed to invite real engagement. It structures them to build curiosity. It encourages people to save and share your post. And most importantly, it naturally invites them to follow you or take that crucial next step with your business.
Finally, we have the bio glow-up tool to refine your profile. Think of your bio as the front door to your business. Most Instagram bios just blandly describe what a business is, but a truly strong bio tells people exactly why they should stay. This tool gives you clearer, highly optimized bio options, whether you want to lean into authority, relatability, or curiosity, so that the second someone lands on your page, they know they are in the right place.
Now, you might be sitting there wondering just how long this is all going to take to set up. It sounds like a massive undertaking, right? Well, actually, scratch that. Remarkably, you can build this entire foundational system in just one focused hour. Yes, 60 minutes. It's called the 60-minute Quick Start Workflow, and it is designed specifically for busy folks who just don't have hours to burn. Let's look at how fast this moves. You start by taking just 15 minutes to create your 30-day strategy. Boom, foundation is set. By minute 30, you've spent the next 15 minutes generating and picking out your absolute best hooks. By minute 40, you spent 10 minutes slotting those hooks right into your 7-day calendar. Hit minute 50, and you've drafted the captions for your first few posts. And you spend the final 10 minutes giving your profile bio a massive glow up. By the time that hour is up, your entire Instagram presence has a professional, cohesive engine running the show.
What's brilliant about this framework is how incredibly adaptable it is. Whether you are a small business owner juggling a million things, a content creator, a coach, a freelancer building your personal brand, or even a busy social media manager managing multiple accounts. If you have valuable content to share but you lack a reliable, repeatable workflow to plan it out, this is going to be an absolute lifesaver for sure.
But hey, let's take a quick reality check here. We always need to be totally transparent when we talk about AI. AI is an amazingly powerful starting point, but this system does not and cannot guarantee virality, guaranteed sales, or an overnight influx of thousands of followers. It's an engine, not a magic wand. It requires you, the human, to review the outputs, personalize the tone so it sounds like you, and continually test and improve the content based on what your audience is actually responding to. But if you're willing to put in that little bit of human effort to steer the system, the results you can achieve are absolutely fantastic. So the ultimate takeaway I want to leave you with today is this. Stop guessing what to post. Build your Instagram content system with the Instagram growth engine. You now have the blueprint to turn blank page anxiety into a well-oiled machine. So, what will your next 30 days look like?